If your dinner menu looks boring, you're in need of a spring roll makeover. Let's spice things up. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need rice paper, fresh vegetables like carrots, cucumbers, and lettuce, and your choice of protein. Shrimp or pork works great. Now let's prep. Slice your veggies into thin strips. Cook your protein and slice it up. Keep everything within reach. Next, fill a shallow dish with warm water. Dip each rice paper sheet in the water for about 10 seconds, just until it's soft. Lay it flat on a clean surface. Now, the fun part? Filling. Place a small amount of each ingredient in the center of the rice paper. Don't overstuff. Fold the sides in, then roll it up tightly from the bottom. For the perfect finish, mix up a dipping sauce with soy sauce, lime juice, and a bit of honey. Dip and enjoy. And there you have it. Fresh, tasty spring rolls in minutes. Easy to make and even easier to eat. Happy rolling.